Hi friends, today our topic is trigonometric ratio of multiple and submultiple angles. Okay, let's go to the problem. Prove that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. Or second problem is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta is equal to tan theta by 2. These two questions were asked in previous paper examination. Okay, let's go to the answer for first question. Given information sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So these are the applications of sin 2 theta cos theta formula. These are the applications of sin 2 theta cos theta formulas. Okay, what is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, right? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay. Okay. Sin theta value substitute here. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here angle is half. Here angle is 2 theta, but here angle is theta, means half. So 2 into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, sin theta value. After that, what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. What about 1 plus cos theta? 2 into cos square theta by 2. Okay, understand or not? Very simple thing. Angle is here. Angle is half. Then what happens here also? Sin theta is equal to 2 into sin theta by 2 theta by 2. Angle is half here. In the same manner, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Here also angle is half. Therefore, 2 into cos square theta by 2. Angle is half. Okay. After that, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 cancel. 2 cancel. Therefore, the answer is tan theta by 2 RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. Okay, go to the next problem. What is that next? The second question was 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Generally, cos 2 theta in terms of sin square theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta is equal to 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, right. So, sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So 1 minus cos theta in the format of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Formula is 2 sin square theta. Here 2 theta, but here theta. Angle is half. Therefore, 2 into sin square theta by 2. Okay, what about sin theta? Sin theta can be written as 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2, cancel 2 cancel. So the answer is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2, here 2 to cancel, sin theta by 2 by here cos theta by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2 RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta equal to tan theta by. Okay friends, if it is useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you for watching.